Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today we're gonna be doing a little bit of maintenance on the M4, man. I'm also gonna be giving y'all an update on what's to come for the M4, man. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, guys, so as I said, today I'm gonna be doing a little bit of maintenance and also just upgrading a few parts on the car today. Nothing major, nothing real performance wise. So I'm gonna go ahead and go down the list. I'll be listing the prices right here on the side. And I got everything that I'm talking about today from FCP Euro, because all these are kind of wear and tear maintenance parts. And for those that don't know, FCP Euro will give you a lifetime warranty on any parts you buy off their website for your car. So, and I'll get into that. So basically, like, I bought some brakes, I bought some new pads today because I got tired of the dust of the stock pads, and I went with the Akebono ceramics. Now, the Akebono ceramics, I ran them on the 435. I had no issues with them whatsoever. They do bite a little. The initial bite is a little bit less than stock, but the amount of dust you get, the amount of dust you don't get actually with these pads make it well worth it to me. You don't have to clean your wheels every 2 to 3 days. With these pads, you can run them and your wheels will stay cleaner. And I just appreciate that, not having to clean my wheels all the time. So got the Akebono ceramics. Got those from FCP Euro. Also gonna be putting in some new spark plugs and coil packs. And also getting the oil change, man. So I got all those items from FCP Euro. Like I said, I'll be putting the prices on everything that I got right over here, so y'all can see that, the full breakdown of what that costs. And like I said before, buying the stuff from FCP Euro, once you use it up and it's time to replace it again, you will order another set, send them back your old set, and they will credit your account. So that's how it works with their lifetime warranty. So you really only buying it once, and then you just keep sending back the old stuff, and then they'll credit your account, and that's it, man. So if you got any wear and tear parts, any maintenance parts you know that's gonna have to be changed a lot, I definitely recommend buying them from FCP Euro, man. I'll be putting the links down below to all the products I bought. This is not a sponsored video. FCP Euro is not sponsoring me by any way. I'm just trying to give y'all some, give y'all some knowledge and hopefully help you out, help you save a couple of dollars, man. So that's what it's all about, man. Me helping you, you helping me by hitting that like and subscribe button, and then we just take it from there. So right now I'm on my way to Euro Empire, about to get these parts installed, be grabbing some cinematic footage, and then I'll come back with you after that talking about the next mods that I plan for my BMW M4. All right, let's get it.